Hello everyone, my name is Dilipar, second year MBA from SVC. My topic is opinion leadership. Opinion leaders meaning. Opinion leaders act as an intermediary between marketers and their target audience. They obtain information about a certain product, summarize its pros and cons, and convey its consumers in a simple way. Thought leaders also update consumers on product news and give advice on how to use it. Summary of opinion leadership. Opinion leaders are individuals who are trusted by the public to provide information, guidance, and advice about a variety of things. Opinion leaders have a great amount of influence within their niche market due to their expertise and influence within their network. Opinion leaders are considered crucial to marketing because of the two-step flow of communication. In this model, the opinion leader serves as the transmitter, creator, and communicator of mass media information. Information is transferred from the mass media to the opinion leaders and then to the user audience. The audience could be consumers, followers, marketers, or companies who hire the opinion leader to help with promotion. Opinion leaders tend to have strong opinions and try to motivate the public into following their advice. Some other characteristics of opinion leaders are charisma, likability, expertise, social media influence, and communication skills. In marketing, opinion leaders can take the shape of social media influencers such as YouTube personalities and bloggers and on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook and other social media platforms. Example of opinion leadership. Followers, marketers and the general public may depend on opinion leaders for guidance, advice and expertise. Opinion leaders can be instrumental in our decision making process in our daily lives as consumers. They are also an integral part of marketing, research and development for products and services. It's important that opinion leaders be experts in their field, gathering as much information as possible. For example, a professional football player giving his opinion on the latest pair of hockey skates would not be influential with consumers. Opinion leaders don't just have to be famous, we can turn family and friends that we seek for advice and guidance. Celebrities and business leaders are also strong examples of opinion leaders, especially if they are well respected and successful. If there is a celebrity or business leader that we admire, we are likely to trust them as a source in effort to emulate their success. Many social media influencers can be hired by companies to present their products because audience follow them very closely. It's wise for a company to hire a key opinion leader based on their niche market rather than just based on the number of followers the influencer has. Conclusion. Opinion leadership is dynamic and multifaceted process that shapes the diffusion of information and influences consumer choices. Understanding the stages and dynamics of opinion leadership empowers both consumers and marketers. For consumers, recognizing opinion leaders and critically evaluating their recommendations allows for informed decision making. For marketers, understanding the role of opinion leaders and strategically engaging with them can be a powerful tool in building brand awareness, fostering consumer trust, and driving product adoption. In a world where information flows ceaselessly, opinion leaders are the conduits, the guides others through the ever-evolving landscape of knowledge and choices. Thank you.